Not been a great start to the new year for D Street investors. We've actually seen markets extending their sell off for the fifth consecutive day, losing another 6 lakh crore rupees worth of investors' wealth in this sell off. In fact, it has been the worst week that the markets have clocked in since September of 2025. Investors altogether have lost 15 lakh crore rupees in the first full week of trade in January. Nearly 35 constituents on the Nifty 50 index have ended this week in losses. The sell off this week has actually taken the Nifty index to its lowest level in the last 2 months. And this week's sell off has wiped off already the 15 lakh crore rupees that I've told in the overall market capitalization of the BSE listed companies. The losses have been led by heavyweights like HDFC Bank, which has also seen its worst weekly fall since January of last year. In fact, last to last year, 2024, it's already lost about 1 lakh crore rupees in market cap this week alone. And that's why the pain has been seen in the Nifty stocks and the index as a whole. Mid cap index is down by 3% this week. Almost 80% of the stocks in mid caps have delivered negative returns. Same for small caps as well. All the sectors on the Nifty have reported losses for the week, led by Nifty Energy Index that's declined 5% this week. In fact, the markets have been under pressure since the US President Donald Trump has again hinted that tariffs on Indian goods could be raised over India's purchases of Russian oil, keeping India US trade relationship in sharp focus as well. He's also indicated that he's looking at a 500% of tariffs coming in on the countries that import from Russia. Remains to be seen what comes in next week.